having a power strip is a necessity. And you know, you've got so many things to keep powered up, and if you're like me, you have even more. This one is a desk clamp power strip. Doesn't just sit down on the floor like so many of them do. This one actually clamps to the edge of your desk. This is so exciting because I don't like having to bend over to small thing, I know, but anyway, look at this. Nice sturdy clamp here, and it just, you know, it'll go right over the edge of most desks. My standing desk here is quite thin, but the desk over there, it would work over there too. Now I'm going to put it here, mount it below, just below the camera, but look at this. Just slides over the end like that. That is so great. It's going to be so awesome to have that set up over there. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 standard plugs, and these two look like they're a little bit farther apart. I could be mistaken, but notice down below here too, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 USB-C charging ports and 1, 2, 3, 4 USB-A charging ports. That is awesome. Now, let's see, I've forgotten how long that cord is when I ordered this. Oh, 6 foot. 6 foot power cord on this. Perfect. And here's the switch on the side here. Awesome, awesome, awesome. And almost forgot to mention, flat plug. God, I just rave about flat plugs. You're gonna love this as much as I